Is there a formula, set formula, which we can use it to measure the effectiveness of testers, or there is still a formula to be developed of this?
So there's no set formula. I'll put it that way. There's no set formula. But one formula which I now use in all my engagements is, specifically if it is a B2C and a B2B application where there is something which can be measured, right? So few things which can be measured and which are directly impacted by the technology part of it, right? Is a, what is my closure rate of transactions? So whether I'm doing a banking application, whether I'm doing an e-commerce application, whether I'm doing a pizza delivery application, I need to be able to find out what is the fail out rate of people on my transaction. That is a clear cut metric you can tell why people are leaving your application without completing a transaction. And then you can work with the marketing team to find out the real reason behind it. The second thing which I clearly measure now is time to market. Time to market is something which you can definitely measure, and that has a direct impact on revenue, the top line of any company. So we so I don't measure number of test cases documented, executed, blah 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 blah. I only measure what was my time to market in the previous release versus now. Have I improved on it or not? So I think if you can measure time to market, that can answer a lot of pieces of why you are struggling as an organization.